Om Namah Shivaya children. In your chapter Save the Environment, last two videos we read about the air and water pollution and we remembered certain terms. Today we'll go through more few terms and soil pollution. Pesticides. Chemical used to kill insects present in plant. Now pesticides are chemicals. Now when plants or crops they catch insects which harm the plant, we use certain or the farmers use certain kind of chemicals to kill those insects or to protect the plants from those insects. So that chemical name is known as pesticide. Next is organic farming, growing of crops without the use of chemicals. Now how we can grow a crop, how we can grow a good quality of crop without use of chemicals is called as organic farming. Then comes soil fertility, capacity of a soil to provide crops with essential nutrients. Now in order to grow a crop or in order to have a proper uh, growing of or a proper quality of plant to grow, the soil needs to be fertile. Now how a soil is fertile? If it has all the essential nutrients. Now in order, now for example, if you need to be strong, you need to have all green vegetables, all kind of fruits, milk, egg, meat, fish. Yes or no? In the same way, soil, if a soil needs to be fertile or a plants need to grow properly, the soil should be fertile, and a soil can be fertile if it has all the essential nutrients. Next is solid waste, household waste. Now household waste are what? Now see, every day we have a garbage bucket or we have a bucket where we keep all our unused unwanted things, we throw in that, and those waste are called as household waste or solid waste. Next is children, soil pollution. Now you can see in this picture that there are many reasons which affect the soil and which affect the air, which affects the water, whatever, whether it is an industry or a house or a factory or a mining activity, all the waste that come from these house, factories, construction work, everything we leave it to the environment, we throw it away in the air or water or soil, and that affects the environment or that pollutes the environment. We cannot survive without food. Now see children, food comes from what? Plants or crops. Now these plants or crops, they are grown in what? Soil. So the soil is the main part which provides us food, and that food is our lifeline. We cannot stay without food. If I'll say for one day you don't eat anything, after a few hours you will start feeling hungry. So food is the essential thing to survive, and these foods are grown directly or indirectly in the soil. Plants are being planted, and from plants and crops we get our food, we get green vegetables, we get fruits. So soil is the main part to grow a plant. Solid waste get buried. Now as I told, household, now every day the municipality people, they come, they take all the waste materials that we have at our home, we throw it in the morning and they take it away. But have you ever thought what they do? They go and take those things and dump at one place, so that waste are buried at one place. So wherever it is buried, it is also a soil. So again that soil gets polluted with all these unused unwanted substances. Use of insecticides or pesticides, as I told, pesticides are chemicals, the insecticides and pesticides are kind of chemicals that kills the insects in the plants. Now when these chemicals are used, these plants are grown where? In the soil. So the soil also get affected and soil gets polluted. Chemical wastes from industry. Now yes, like industries emit so many gases, there are gas that come from industries or factories, that go to the air and pollute air. In the same way, the waste materials of the industries are thrown away outside, and those in the waste creates also soil pollution. Throwing away of garbages, as I told, we throw away all the unused materials or unused substances here and there. Why we are told Swachh Bharat, we should follow Swachh Bharat? Why? Because we are creating pollution for our environment. Throwing away garbages here and there also causes pollution. Next, we'll get to know about the effects and ways to control soil pollution. Deadly diseases. Now, see, children, when I told that pesticides are used in a plant and plant are grown in soil, soil also is affected by those chemicals and gets pollution. In the same way, those plants where chemicals are used, that directly also comes, directly or indirectly comes to us. Now the fruit or the vegetable that is grown on that plant comes to us, we eat it. Now the chemicals are sprayed over there. Now again, those chemical used products, if we use it, we will have diseases. And that is the reason why every time mother says, before eating your fruits, wash the fruits properly. Before doing anything, your mom cleans the vegetables. Why? Because those chemicals won't hamper us. Inferior crop quality. Now, since the soil gets polluted, it doesn't provide good quality of soil to the plants to grow. So the plants also, they decrease there, or the quality of the plant, it decreases. Like I told, if you don't eat proper vegetables and fruits, you will grow thin, you will not be strong enough. In the same way, if the soil is not good, soil will get polluted, the quality of the crop will also get hampered. Decrease soil fertility. As I told, soil pollution again, the soil is affected, the soil gets polluted, the soil will also, the quality of the soil will decrease and the crop will also decrease. So decrease in soil fertility will lead to the inferior crop quality, and if it is there inferior crop quality, then we'll have various kind of deadly diseases. Next is the ways to control. Proper waste disposal. Children, we should dispose our waste properly so that it will not affect our environment or the soil or water or air, whatever may be. Plant more trees. Yes, trees act as a purifier, children. Like in your aquaguard, it gives you purified water. In the same way, trees act as purifier for the environment. So we should always plant more and more trees. Use of plastic should be minimized. We use a lot of plastic bottle, plastic bags. So reducing the use of plastic will also save us from polluting the environment. In your next class, children, we will, or in your next video, I'll say you about noise pollution. Thank you.